secrets. You can whisper, you can shout, but it's like we drown your doubt. Who fights the chosen? Who blocks the sky? The stars align, no need to try. Onye, Nemegide, Madu. Onye, Mmadu. Who can stand, who can fight against the one crowned by his life? Mountains crumble, seas may rise, but his power, it never dies. You build walls, they fall apart. Faith stronger than any heart. You can't deny, you can't erase the glow of grace upon his face. Onye, Nemegide, Madu. Onye, Mmadu. Who can stand, who can fight against the one crowned by his life? The one who fights the tide, the one who won't bow low, walking through the fire where only the brave can go. A heart that carries mountains, a voice the winds obey. No shadows hide the truth, no lies can dim the light. The one who stands alone is never out of sight. The one who stands against man, the one who dares to take a stand. Known by God, held by grace, walking boldly through every space. Yeah. Feet that stir the dust, hands that carve the stone, eyes that see the unseen, a spirit never alone. Through storms and roaring thunder, still the truth is shown. The one who stands against man, the one who dares to take a stand. Known by God, held by grace, walking boldly through every space. Yeah. Known by God, held by grace, walking boldly through every space. Against the crowd, against the tide, with faith as armor by his side. No chains can bind, no fear can hold. A soul on fire, a heart of gold. Judge